So, today I want to talk to you about something super exciting that is going to take place 2 weeks from today. It's going to happen on Friday, October 5th, and it is going to be our Paint Creek Fund Run. It is also going to be a superhero dash, which is why you might notice we have our lovely capes on. When we get to $5,000, every single student at Paint Creek Elementary will receive a mystery spirit stick. But there are over 500 and maybe like 40 kiddos here. Every single one of you will get a mystery spirit stick. If when we add up our money together, we raise $5,000. That we can raise $20,000 for our school. Raise your hand if you think we can raise $20,000 for Paint Creek Elementary. Keep your hand raised if you think that $20,000 would be enough money for us to get free books and have the end of the year extravaganza and have our Friends and Fun dance and do our fun run. You're totally right.
The theme that we're actually calling our fun run this year is kindness is our superpower.
Very good. Okay guys, bump it, bump